So please repeat for me what the purpose is of, well, or maybe I should just say it this way. Just describe the process of taking a decimal number and changing it into a fraction that you're currently exploring.
Well, starting with some decimal number, we multiply it by 10 or 100 or 1,000.
Okay.
We then subtract x from it in the hopes that the tail of the decimal is the same for both of those numbers, in which case, when we subtract, they will all become zeros.
Okay. And so when you did this example, why did it not work? What, I mean, that is, what went wrong?
Well, when we lined up the decimals, the repeating 1, 2, 1, 2 got off, so that the ones was lined up with the twos, and the twos were lined up with the ones.
Okay.
But then when we subtract, it's no longer zero.
Very good. And so the number that you started with was 23.54612121212.
Right.
So why did you choose to multiply by 1,000? By the way, incorrectly.
Yes. That just put all the non-repeating numbers before the decimal.
Aha. Okay. And that wasn't the real goal.
Right.
Right. Okay. So now let's do the same question again with that same x. What would be a useful number to multiply by? So just go ahead and complete it now. So this is great because you learned what the real purpose is of multiplying. It wasn't to move the decimal so that the non-repeating things were moved to the left of the decimal. That wasn't the goal.
Right.
That's what you tried, but that wasn't really what the goal was.
Since the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 is what's repeating, and there's only 2 of those digits, we want to just slide it over 2.
Okay.
Which is 100.
Okay.
So 100x equals 2354.6121212, and if we subtract x, which is 23.546121212, they now line up.
Right.
And we get zeros at the end, and then we are left with 99x equals 2331.0660000 forever.
Okay.
So x equals 2331.066 divided by 99, or 2331.066 divided by 99,000.
Very good. Very good.